Mr. Changrani, it's a pleasure to welcome you here to the Trade Fair K. All the way from Africa you're here with Sarsoli colours. Why did you choose to come here?
Basically, we believe K Fair is Rolls Royce in the cars, Louis Vuitton in the purses. So presence here shows that even being in Nigeria, even being in West Africa, you can give that kind of quality anywhere. So we wanted to be here to show that in that part also the industries can enjoy the same quality in their place. So they can always come to us from West Africa. We are the only people from whole of West Africa exhibiting in the K Fair since 2013.
The question of sustainability, the environment is a big topic for the industry. How would you see it regarding West Africa?
Well, day by day, all the government organizations are becoming more cautious about the environment, and which is a good thing. We appreciate that, and we are moving with it. Another thing is that all the industries now, everyone wants to bring in new technologies in their industries. So that is another part. So we also ourselves bring in new technologies in our plant, and K Fair is the one where you can have first-hand information on anything new coming up, and then we try to catch up with it.